guys, welcome back to today's video. I hope all of you are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you makeup using only two products. The thing is that I am a minimal makeup lover. If you guys watch my short makeup videos, you must be knowing this, So if you are also a minimal makeup lover and you want to use less makeup products on your face, but still too you want sorry, I'm getting tongue tied, but still too you want to look different and fresh, so this video is for you guys. I am sure you are going to like this concept. So this is the first product which I have with me. This is Nykaa's all day matte compact in the shade beige 03. So I'm going to take little bit of compact and put it on the top of my head where you normally put your highlighter. I'm just putting the compact only on that portion, then in the bridge of my nose, and then on my chin area and under my eyes. Now if you notice, these are the areas on which we normally use concealer or we use highlighter. So my purpose of putting the compact on these areas are to just highlight the middle portion of my face. And after that I'm going to use this lipstick from Lakme as an eyeshadow. Now this is an orange color lipstick. It really gives you a very fresh look when you use it as an eyeshadow or when you just use it as a blush. You need only little bit product. I have blended everything very nicely, but I'm not going to use any other product. So what I did, I took little bit of water on a towel and I'm blending the product very well, as you can see, and it is really giving me a very well flushed cheeks. Now I'm just using the lipstick as a lipstick, but I'm just taking it a little bit, so yeah, I think my makeup is already done, guys. Now I'm going to wear some accessories, means only this jhumka. I love this jhumka. I got it only at 250 rupees, from a local market. Now I'm going to wear a bindi. Normally I don't wear bindis, but I thought to do something different, so I'm just wearing this black bindi, and this is how I am looking right now. Guys, if you have liked this video, it means a lot to me. I will be more than happy if you join my channel, be my friend. You have to hit on the subscribe button. Along with that, there's a small little bell icon. You have to hit on that too. And yeah, I will be coming up with more and more such kind of videos, so stay in touch and see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.